What's up, y'all? We're back at Volcano Bay. We have the fourth vlog, and this might probably be the last vlog for our annual passes, because this month our annual passes are gonna end soon. So we'll have a few last Universal vlogs before it ends, and we'll take a break from theme park vlogs and move on other stuff. Sorry.
Constantly getting hydrated by people splashing water on them.
And there's the volcano up there. Alright, about that. We won't be filming for the water. We'll just film during our breaks, of course. We are on the sand again now. It's okay. Yeah, the Crocs, and that's final.
What do you mean? Why do you specify?
Because we can.
Crocs is a type of shoe.
Well, how is it a type of shoe, Liv?
What do you mean, how is it a type of
Explain.
shoe? If it's on your feet, if it's to cover it, shoes are made to cover your feet. If Crocs cover your feet, they're shoes.
But shoes are different.
What do you mean shoes are? They're actually stupid.
Okay. Hey man, Liv, you really, how do you treat your best friend like that?
The definition of a shoe is something that you use to cover.
Okay, we didn't ask for a shoe lesson, okay?
Luke, you can't say something stupid and not expect anyone to correct you.
Oh, alright, we'll stop. Alright, anyway, we'll stop.
So you kind of did.
Alright, we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, yo, we're just back here. So I don't know where we're going to. There's Cabana Bay. We're staying there again. So yeah, and I think it'll be about time we do. Oh wait, no, we're not. I don't think we'd be perfect to do it, even. So I gotta really. Alright, we found out far. We'll see you on the next scene. Alright, y'all. So yeah, we just got our stuff. We just got our we're gonna go eat here before we head back to the hotel. Yes, it's the same place we ate at the first Volcano Bay vlog. So yeah, we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, I think we're gonna eat at our hotel. We'll film there. Even though Cabana Bay started your return place and hotel for us. Yeah, Cabana Bay is basically a return hotel for us, since it's basically just like we've been part of that. That's it. I'll return, but yeah, we got our towels from here. And, you know, we've never done a Volcano Bay vlog with a day trip, but that's not ever gonna happen, guys. The ice cream one, oh man, oh, it's good. Are you sad you didn't get to go live?
You're kidding me? Can't see that? There's nobody there.
Nobody. I'm sorry you didn't get to go live. I'm not gonna. Alright, y'all. So we'll see you all in the next scene. Because we have our own private exit. So yeah, we'll see you all in the next scene. Y'all, we are here at the bay and with the helicopter. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. So this is Cabana Bay. We stayed there last time, and I think we're gonna stay there this time. It's like the last two times we've been staying there. Yeah, we're stayed over at the American. This is the last vlog we're gonna have for Volcano Bay. Not the last vlog for Universal, because we'll try to go again in spring break. Bobby, the water slide? But where's the water slide at even, bro? I think the water slide's like on the other side or something.
I don't know. My
It's just it's a fountain, bro. It's the mainline diner right there. So, alright, yo, we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, yo, so this is our room view. I'm too late to room tour, so that's it. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.